Hey everyone, is your home already pre-plumbed for the Moen Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff? In this video, I'll show you how to replace the pre-installed spacer with the actual Flo Smart Water Shutoff, quickly, safely, and without calling a plumber. 1. Device setup. Before we begin, download the Moen app and create your account. Plug in the Smart Water Shutoff and wait for both indicator lights to turn on. Now press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the white status light begins to blink. Scan the QR code on the device and it will automatically pair with the app. Once paired, enter your Wi-Fi password so the app can connect and update your network settings. And remember, take a picture of the QR code for future use. 2. Tools you'll need. For a smooth installation, gather an adjustable wrench or socket wrench, pliers, silicone grease, and a bucket for draining water. 3. Turn off and drain water lines. Locate your home's main water shutoff valve and turn it off. Open the highest fixture in the house to release pressure, then open the rest of the faucets to drain the system completely. Leave all fixtures open while you work. 4. Remove the pre-plumbed spacer. Place a bucket beneath the plumbing. Use your wrench or pliers to loosen the union nuts and slide them back. Then gently remove the spacer by hand. 5. Prepare the new device. Check the direction of the flow arrow on the flow device to make sure it's facing the correct way. Apply silicone grease to the O-rings and seat them properly in their grooves. Inspect the inside surfaces to make sure they're clean and free of debris. 6. Install the Moen Smart Water Shutoff. Line up the device with the water line and thread the union nuts onto the body. Tighten them securely, then add only a quarter turn more. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the O-rings. 7. Power the system. Plug the adapter into the outlet. Then connect the power cable to the device by pushing in and twisting until it locks into place. The status and valve lights should turn on, and the valve light will glow green once it's ready. 8. Turn your water back on. Slowly open the main water valve partway and check for leaks at every connection. If everything is dry, open the valve fully. Once the air is flushed out, close all fixtures in the home, starting with the lowest point and finishing with the highest. 9. Run a health test. Open the Moen app and select your device. Make sure all faucets and fixtures are shut off. Now tap Run Health Test. If a leak is detected, the issue is usually a toilet or a loose fixture somewhere in the home. Fix the leak and test again. After the first test, the system enters learning mode where it analyzes your home's water usage patterns. Once that's complete, your Smart Water Shutoff is fully active and protecting your home. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded smart plumbing system.